northwestern Indiana until 8 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near St. John, or near Shearville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Merrillville, Shearville, Crown Point, Griffith, Dyer, and St. John around 7:20 p.m. Gary and Hobart around 7:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Lake Station, New Chicago, and Portage. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest sturdy building. Each doors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.